let's talk about SDRX.AI. It's a new AI-powered sales platform that says it can do everything a sales development rep does, all on autopilot. AI takes over, but does it actually deliver? First, let's answer what is SDRX. It's an AI SDR, meaning it helps you find leads, research accounts, and send personalized cold emails all automatically. SDRX watches your website visitors, builds your ICP lists, finds decision makers, creates a business case, and sends tailored one-to-one emails to every lead. And it even follows up. And get this, it updates itself monthly with fresh signals and new accounts. SDRX isn't just for outbound, it also helps with inbound leads. When someone fills out a form or shows interest, it qualifies them, nurtures them, and even books a meeting on your behalf. It also comes with its own AI calling agent that literally calls your leads and talks to them like a trained sales rep. I'm serious. This thing can hold conversations, ask qualifying questions, and hand off warm leads to your team. And the craziest part, it claims to do all of that with no ramp-up time. No setup headaches, you just tell it about your product, value props, and who you want to target, and it gets to work. Now, let's talk about pricing. Sadly, they don't show it publicly, so you have to book a demo, which probably means it's not cheap. This is clearly built for serious sales teams and agencies. So, what's the catch? Well, this thing looks great on paper, but it's hard to know how well it actually performs without trying it. I tried to do some digging, but I did not find any information on any community platforms. But if you're just looking for a cheaper way to send hyper-personalized cold emails, there are similar tools out there. For example, Salesforge, where you do everything yourself, or Agent Frank, which is almost like SDRX because it sets up the infrastructure automatically, finds leads, writes hyper-personalized cold emails, follows up, handles objections, and books sales calls. So I suggest you take a look at Agent Frank right here before you dive into any single platform. Now, if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And as always, it was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.